Hey, looking for a really comfortable desk chair? I got something for you here. This is really easy to put together, by the way. Assembly didn't take very long. And I love this mesh here. It makes it from getting, so you're not getting get so sweaty and hot when you're in it, but it still actually has good support as well. So these will push up like this, and you can and of course this rotates as you expect. You have nice casters down here, these nice wheels as well. You also can make this chair go up or down with this little lever right here. You just press that, it goes down all the way, and then to raise it up, I'll just stand up, and now this is as high as it's going to go. And you can also, by pushing this in, or pushing it in or pulling it out, you can make it to where the back's not going to go out. So right now I can lean back, but once this is actually pushed in, it's not going to lean back anymore. So it's up to you. I like to kind of recline and kind of chill like this, so I'll probably just leave it just the way it is right now. You also have this as well. If you want to push this in or out, you can just go like this, and it's gonna put more resistance in your back here, the lumbar support parts. Another nice feature of what you'd see in a more expensive chair, it's in this as well. So really all the features that you're looking for in a desk chair. I love the color as well, the nice neutral color. Also, it's got a 5-year warranty. It's got a 5-year warranty in this chair, which definitely this company really does believe in their product, so that otherwise they wouldn't be doing that. So great product. Glad to have this. Was giving this in return for review. I'm definitely gonna be using this going forward.